of the input signal. I am giving it as 20 nanoseconds. If you want, you can mention the rise time, fall time also. I am directly giving the pulse width. Okay, some 10 nanoseconds I'll give, so that it will have a 50%. Now height. So here you will get, because we are having two inputs for design, we need to create two test inputs, or else you can just keep only one, connect the two inputs to the particular input itself. Okay, I am creating two inputs because if at all we want to vary the other input, you can use that the other V pulse. Now connect it using the same wire. W, press W, you will get the wire option. Go to create instance again. See, you can also alter without going into the browse. You can directly alter from here itself. Like for example, here the cell name is vPulse. Now I want to import ground pin, so I am giving it as GND. So see, if you type GND, so it will automatically get difficult. Again, go to browse, go to analog link. Here in this cell itself, you can type whichever input you want. So I want ground. Ground is there. Click on that. Then take only the symbol. Close. Here also height. See, ground pin I have placed. Everybody has done this. Let me know if you are having any doubts. Then now we need to give DC voltage to VDD. Here you can directly give VDC, or you can go to browse. Again analog lib. Here type VDC. So you will find VDC. Close. Here you need to mention the DC voltage. How much voltage you want to give it to VDD. I have given 1.8 volt. Then click on height. You will get this signal. Place it here. If you want, you can rotate the thing also. Now connect the VDC. Now connect the VDC to VDD. Make all the connections. And place any of this input V pulse or VDC inside this yellow box. See, I am placing this V pulse inside this yellow box. Okay, place something like that in your design also. I want to show you few errors which may happen if you are placing your inputs inside that yellow box.
If you want to see the errors, put it inside the box.
So now we have given the inputs.
You want to see the
We have given the inputs, but at the output side it is left unconnected. At the output side it is left unconnected. So in order to, if at all we want to simulate the design, we need to select the output wire and also input wire. But here we are not having the output wire. So we are creating an additional pin, that is the output. Give any name, height, connect the output to that pin. This we are doing just to check the output at this particular terminal. Fine.
ಹಂಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನಕ್ಕೈತಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
Everybody has done this until now?
ಅವಾಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಡೆಸಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅಂಡು ಯು ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ ಯು ಡಬ್ಲ್ಯೂ ಡಬ್ಲ್ಯೂ
W window and check what are the warnings you are getting. Here it is mentioning instances P1 and IO overlap by more than 10%. So that particular input that we have placed inside the NAND gate